but did we come in from the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we parked.
Turn 12 grandstand, baby.
Hey.
Yeah, we parked at the bottom of this.
We're on turn 12.
Yeah.
Across the street in the line.
That's right.
Security lady. Thank you, nice security lady.
That's where we are. Turn 12 grandstand, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're sitting right at the end of the back straightaway where they're going over 200 coming to the stop.
Riots in there?
A 90-degree turn. Yeah.
Like,
It's a good spot.
fair.
Oh, weird.
Like, I want to go hop on that thing?
I think that's swinging around.
Yeah. No.
That's lot C.
See.
Sure.
Oh.
So right up front here,
It's like, where are we doing?
you'll have
It's
to
like what?
It's like, where are we doing?
pump out.
Yeah, you just here. I'll send you. I'll send you.
Those tires that are on there, those are rain tires.
Really?
Yeah, those are wet tires. I have some of those.
Nice. I like that seat edge. That's nice. That is a big ass. It's a 6-cylinder. Holy shit. All 6? That looks like a Batmobile.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so funny. So
You sit on it. It's on a big ass stand.
That's what I said. I feel like I might get off.
Be careful.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm kind of just
Normally they tie this shit down.
Yeah, it's right here.
I like that new design for their bag. Look at that. These are 100%
Not to try them, but I want one so bad.
Ooh, that bobber's awesome.
I don't want the bobber. I want the
The Thruxton? The Bonneville?
I like it.
Dude.
Oh, dude, this one? Slash.
Dude. The Speed Twin.
Where's the other one that looks like this?
It's the Bonneville.
Yeah, where's the Bonneville?
They don't have it.
Bonneville's got the big banana seat.
Speed Twin 900.
So this is basically like their Captain Racer.
That's for babies.
Heart attack right there for you guys. Getting the Indy, kicking the legs out. All style. Jared LaRue is a professional. Nice move, Doug.